Yes, I made it, Seaside-ites. Let's do it again. Here we are on 2017, and it is snowing. Not gonna get on the beach. We're not gonna get on the beach. There it is, folks. There's the snow. Everybody wants to see snow on the boardwalk. Go nuts! And they put the first piece of roller coaster out on the boardwalk yesterday, I believe. First piece of the roller coaster. Get a good look, get a good look. And everything is closed today. Lucky Leo's is closed. Point Castle closed. I don't know what else is open, but I'm gonna have to find someplace to eat for lunch, for dinner. Rokas is open. Looks like that's the only thing on the boardwalk open today. Keeps on falling. Peanut, we brought you out on a cold, windy, miserable day. But you don't mind because you're sitting right next to the heater here, huh? And at home you'd be laying on the cold floor with no food. So at least you're getting plenty of food here, right, Peanut? Right? We might be stuck here for days, Peanut. I gotta go out and get the bread and milk. Gotta get the bread and milk, Peanut! And cat food. Bread and milk and cat food. Cold day here. Cold day in Seaside. Cold and snowy, and a lot of snow and a lot of wind, and it's very cold out and very freezing out. Can't even stay out there for no more than a few seconds. Otherwise, your hands freeze, your feet freeze. Anyway, so we'll do our best getting a little snow video. Everybody wants a snow video. They want to see snow. Here's your snow in Seaside. All right. And thanks to Ted and Dee, Karen, and everybody that brought the gifts last week for New Year's Eve, for Christmas and New Year's Eve. Thank you for the gifts, and let's move forward. Into the snow we go. We'll need the wipers on. They'll never be able to see where we're going.
I thought sorry because I never worked in a factory before. So I never Finally, he lost it.
Put him in a letter, I'll read it.
Yeah.
Got some unique drifts going right here in the pool. That's right, almost time to uncover that pool. Get ready for spring. Okay, that's it. Enough of this. Enough of the snow. It's time for the snow to stop. Stop it already. Stop with the snow. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you real soon. Try and open up tomorrow, weather permitting, of course. And that's about it. And yeah. Anyway, summer. At least spring. I'll take spring any day.